Hey everyone! Welcome to this exciting tutorial on how to add animations and transitions in PowerPoint 2025. If you're looking to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging, you're in the right place. Animations and transitions can help emphasize key points, keep your audience hooked, and give your slides a professional polish. Let's dive right in. First, fire up PowerPoint 2025 and open your presentation. We'll start with animations, which bring individual elements like text, images, or shapes to life. Select the object you want to animate by clicking on it. Then, head to the Animations tab on the top ribbon. You'll see a gallery of options, everything from subtle fades to eye-catching entrances and exits. Click on your desired animation, and use the animation pane on the right to customize the order, duration, and timing. For instance, if you want text to appear word by word, select the text box, choose an entrance effect like Fly In, and adjust the settings in the Effect Options dropdown. This gives you precise control to avoid overwhelming your viewers. Now, let's move on to transitions, which handle how one slide shifts to the next. Go to the Transitions tab. Here, you'll find a variety of effects, such as fade, push, or wipe. Select the slide in the thumbnail pane, pick a transition from the gallery, and tweak the duration or add a sound effect if it fits your style. A quick tip: keep it simple. Too many animations or flashy transitions can distract from your message, so use them sparingly to highlight important ideas. Always preview your slides by clicking the preview button to ensure everything flows smoothly. There you have it. Adding animations and transitions in PowerPoint 2025 is straightforward and fun. Practice these steps on your next presentation, and watch your content come alive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.